Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to schedule more than one Zoom meeting in your Zoom account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, click on the home button and click on schedule. From here, you might want to enter the title, date, and all the other things that are displayed in the screen, like your attendees, and name or email address of their attendees, and click on save button. After that, you'll be redirected to this Google Calendar where you have to schedule a date. It is generated randomly here for 22 minutes from now. Likewise, you can schedule again just like this and it will be popped up underneath this scheduled meeting. That's how you can schedule multiple meetings in your Zoom account. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.